Everyone has a right to make his or her own decisions. But you know why we are frustrated in relationships? We do not follow this law. We choose in our mind that we want to control the choices of the other. Oh, my. I pray someone gets this. The day you release your spouse from your control, you begin to have more peace and more joy. As soon as you can, in any relationship, you tell yourself, everybody has their choice to make their own decision. They can make. You also have that same choice to make your own decision. But you know, many of us, we don't like that. Oh, I've counseled a lot of people. They don't like that. The moment I tell them that, they will say, what do you mean by that? Should I just let them do anything they like? And I feel like jumping the gun and saying to them, so what do you want to do? If God, the creator, has not stopped them, how do you want to achieve that? But you know, we don't like that. We prefer to hope. We prefer to hope that there's something we can do.